Welcome back to our video series, 1 Minute with Rich. I'm Rich LaRue, Vice President of Corporate Brokerages for HomeSmart's Western region. Did you know that HomeSmart can help you build a strong luxury brand? Available through the Marketing Design Center, our eye-catching, elegant black and silver luxury yard signs are the perfect way to showcase your lavish listings and style. Offered in a variety of sizes and formats, including single, dual, and team options, these signs will help your listing and your business take the spotlight. If you want your luxury listings to stand out, these yard signs radiate star power. Ultimate curb appeal. That's not all. We also offer coordinating black riders with the usual suspects like coming soon, under contract, or sold, as well as a completely customizable rider option. And after popular demand, we've recently added brand new open house signs to our luxury collection. To get your luxury marketing materials, sign into RealSmart Agent and click on the Marketing Design Center to take your branding up a notch. You can find luxury signs under Agent Branding and Yard Signs, and luxury marketing templates under Property Listing Marketing and then Luxury. That's all for the latest from HomeSmart headquarters. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.